Ever pondered the secret to boosting your website's visibility on search engines? Well, that's where the magic of technical SEO comes into play. This is your path to making your website more appealing to search engines and in turn, increasing your visibility and rankings. To kick things off, we must first understand what technical SEO is. It's the process of optimizing your website for the crawling and indexing phase. It's about improving the infrastructure of your site, making it easy for search engine spiders to crawl and index your website effectively. The first step in this journey is ensuring your website is crawlable. This means making sure search engines can easily navigate through your site. For this, you need to create a clear and concise sitemap. This acts as a roadmap for search engines, guiding them to all the important pages on your site. Next, we move on to mobile optimization. With more than half of all web traffic coming from mobile devices, it's vital that your website is mobile-friendly. This isn't just about aesthetics, but ensuring your site loads quickly and is easy to navigate on smaller screens. Thirdly, we delve into the world of site speed. In the ever-fast digital world, speed is key. If your site takes too long to load, users will likely bounce off, and search engines will take note. Compress your images, minify your code, and leverage browser caching to improve your site speed. Fourth, we focus on SSL certificates. An SSL certificate encrypts data between the user and the server, enhancing website security. Search engines favor secure websites, so having an SSL certificate can give your site an SEO boost. Our fifth stop is URL structure. A clean and descriptive URL not only helps users understand what the page is about, but also aids search engines in determining page content. Keep your URL short, use hyphens to separate words, and include keywords where relevant. And lastly, we take a look at structured data. This is code added to your site that helps search engines understand your content better. It can also enhance your listings on search engine results pages with rich snippets and knowledge graphs. Now let's recap the key points covered in this video. Technical SEO is all about optimizing your website for the crawling and indexing phase. It starts with ensuring your website is crawlable and mobile optimized. Speeding up your site is another crucial step, followed by securing your site with an SSL certificate. Having a clean URL structure is also important, and finally, adding structured data to your site can greatly help search engines understand your content. Remember, technical SEO might seem like a daunting task, but breaking it down into these manageable steps can make the process much simpler. It's all about making your website more attractive to search engines, and these steps are your roadmap to achieving that. So, why not give it a try? Start optimizing today and watch as your website climbs the search engine ranks. You've got this.